vehicle stuck. Well, I don't have it stuck, but this gentleman right here is stuck. And the gentleman over here won't let me use his driveway to get them out. And it will be the easiest path to freedom here. Also make sure I don't get stuck out here. But now I'm grounded. Rear here. It's getting a lot more boring. I guess the better you get at it, because I've been doing it so much. Got it. All right. Got us a frame here. And we are going to come out here and go right towards my truck. That's our game plan, and avoid this part of the ditch. All right. Not even wearing my seats off shirt. It's hot as a mug, I'll tell you that much. we are all done. It is out. We out of here. All right, that'll work. I'll tell you what, you want to hold on to it? I'll get out these people's way so they can drive, and I'll turn back and pull out behind. All right. The audacity, some people. Like, Buddy saying I can't use his yard. I'm like, bro, I get it. He getting this sidewalk done. But he came out ferocious. Like, well, what you doing? Straight up. Like, there was no, hey man, you all right? He got a Ring camera, so I know he's sitting there watching everything that I'm doing. But yet and still, he asking, what am I doing? As if he don't realize it. So that's just the way that it goes sometimes, man. Y'all see that? I love me. How you doing, man? I love doing the winch out. Oh. I love doing some winch outs. Gotta watch out because people go crazy over their grass. People go crazy over their grass. I don't even know if I'm in focus right now. I just want to record. Every time I say I'm gonna bring my camera, I need to just keep one in the car. All right, we're out, man. Let's go ahead. We're gonna square out and we out of here, baby.